Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your risk tolerance with Vanguard's questionnaire step by step clearly. To verify your risk tolerance with Vanguard's questionnaire, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Go to the investing section of the website. Look for the link to the risk assessment tools. Once you find it, click on the link to the risk tolerance questionnaire. You may need to log in to your Vanguard account, so have your credentials ready. If you don't have an account, you can usually access the questionnaire by clicking on a guest access option. Read the introductory information provided about the importance of understanding risk tolerance. Click on the Start button to begin the questionnaire. You will encounter a series of questions designed to gauge your investment experience and preferences. Take your time to read each question carefully. Choose the answer that best reflects your current financial situation and mindset. Questions may include your investment goals, time horizon, and how you feel about market fluctuations. As you progress through the questionnaire, provide honest and thoughtful answers. Be prepared to answer questions about your emotional response to potential losses. After completing all questions, submit your responses. You will then receive a risk tolerance assessment based on your answers. This assessment will categorize you into a specific risk profile. Review the recommendations that follow, including suggested asset allocations. Consider how the suggested risk profile aligns with your overall investment strategy. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.